Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can clean the air duct area in the dryer Miele. So in the first step we have to remove the fluff filter. It's easy, just lift it up to your side, and as you can see there you have an air duct area. If you want to remove it and clean it, you have to switch the yellow element to the left position. As you can hear, it's unlocked now, and we can freely remove the air duct area filter. Now we can freely clean it under the water. To put it back, just push it, close the top, and put back the fluff filter. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.